Hey guys, welcome back to another video of my 7-month lock journey. It's month 7. I haven't taken anything out. I'm still on the journey, and this is the longest I've gone without taking it out. And let me tell you, going on this lock journey, you learn how to embrace this thing, because the frizz. And y'all know my problem is the frizz. Like, I can be on this journey no problem, but the frizz, God, the frizz. Like, your girl got frizz. To me, it's like the frizz is getting worse. It's getting more. I'm trying to embrace it, I am, but I can almost pat down the frizz. Like, baby, you see that? Yeah, it's the frizz for me. I'm trying here. It's the frizz for me. Yeah, so I've been dealing with dryness. It's like my hair drinks water, it drinks oil. I've been dealing with frizz. It gets frizzier by the minute, but those are the negatives. Let's get to the positives. I love the fullness. I'm pretty sure you could see the difference from my 3-month to this one, because the fullness is like, and I see the each lock is forming its own, it's defined, it's having its own definition, and it's getting thicker, because they were really scrawly. But the fullness is a good thing. I like the fact that it's full now. I can wear it down. I've recently started to retwist my hair with oil only. I'm trying not to put product. This is a 2-day, 3-day, no, I'm lying. This is a 4-day retwist, and I don't know about this oil retwisting thing. This ain't working for me, because it looks, it's, I like neatness. This ain't neat. It's not defined. It's just, it's not neat. So retwisting with oil, yeah, that's not gonna be something I do again. I have to use a product, because at day 4 I never look, when I look like this, it's usually at day 8, because I do my hair every 2 weeks. But at day 8, I kind of look like this. This is day 4, and I already look like I haven't done anything to my hair with this twisting with oil. This is not working for me. So oil twisting is a no. I'm getting gray on top of that. Oil twisting is a no. I'm going back to products. I just wanted to try it out, because it was recommended not to put products in my hair. But baby, I can't. I just can't. I got the fro, and I got this looking like it wasn't done. No, I can tie it down, I could do whatever, it still looks like this. So yeah, those are the pros and cons for month 7. I have a good amount of volume now. It's getting thick. The frizz is up here. I could pat it down. The dryness is, my hair is just thirsty, like really thirsty. And that's it. For the rest, I love the freedom still of just waking up, taking off my bonnet and going. And now when I make my braids, I don't know if you remember that in one of my videos I said I make braids at night to go to bed. Ooh, them braids is big, thick. Them braids is thick. I don't know how long I could still take those braids, because it's very thick. But I love the volume, and that's it for my 7-month lock update. I'll come back next month and keep you guys posted on 8 months. And I did find my one braid lock, and it's still braided. Let's say nothing changed. It's still in a braid, nothing new. So I can't find it right now. Oh, here it is. Skinniest whenever. Yeah, but nothing really changed with that one. So that's that for that one. All right, so I'll catch you guys at month 8 to keep you posted on how this is going. God, the volume is amazing. Your girl volume looking good. Oh yeah, catch you in month 8. See you next time. Bye.